You think your body and brain sleeps too when you sleep? Well, reality is a bit different, as even during sleep, our body and mind perform several functions. Here are 10 most curious things that happen to your body when you fall into the arms of Morpheus and let your conscious mind turn off for a few hours. Your muscles are paralyzed. When you enter the REM, rapid eye movement sleep, which is the deepest sleep of all, the muscles of your limbs are paralyzed completely and it's temporarily impossible to move. There is a sleep disorder in which this paralysis is maintained for a few seconds or minutes after waking. This frightening sense of paralysis is experienced by people with narcolepsy when they open their eyes after waking up. Your eyes move at full speed. All phases of sleep serve a specific purpose in keeping your body and brain healthy and relaxed. There are 5 stages of sleep. Each is deeper than the previous one. And when we pass through all 5 phases, the cycle starts all over again. The last one is REM, that is rapid eye movement. It is the most active and it starts about 60 or 90 minutes after you fall asleep. At this stage, your eyes move at full speed back and forward without you being aware of it. Because your mind is focused on what you are dreaming, a growth hormone is released. HGH, known as human growth hormone, is responsible for allowing your bones, muscles, and tissues to regenerate. When you sleep, the production of this substance is activated all over your body. It contributes to the healing of wounds and cell renewal. When we are young, this hormone promotes growth and has many other effects on the body. For this reason, one can say that we grow taller when we sleep. Your throat narrows. When you sleep, the muscles that hold your throat open when you are awake relax, and the size of your throat decreases. This is one of the causes of deep snoring. Although there are other contributing factors, such as nasal obstruction. The tightening of the throat has a lot to do with the annoying noises that some people make when they sleep. You grind your teeth. This phenomenon is called bruxism. It doesn't happen to everyone, but some people may wake up with strong jaw pain after grinding their teeth at night. Bruxism can have a morphological origin that occurs as a result of misalignment in the jaw. It can also be psychological. It's a way to release emotional tension and stress accumulated during the day. However, studies have not yet managed to identify why some people never experience it, while others end up with cracked teeth and sore jaws. You experience a spontaneous sexual arousal. Both men and women experience sexual arousal during sleep. This phenomena is due to the peak brain activity during the rapid eye movement phase of sleep, which means your brain needs more oxygen and therefore a faster flow of blood. Increase in the latter affects every organ of your body, including the most intimate ones, resulting in the activation of sexual hormones. Your brain releases accumulated information and makes up stories. The way our dreams are formed still remains a scientific mystery. Today, we know that our brain constructs dreamscapes from the memories present in our daily lives and our deep subconscious material. Thus, recent experiences combine with the information we have stored for years, memories, traumas, emotions, and feelings, to create mysterious and sometimes absurd dreams. However, it's still not possible to determine why your mind travels to certain places at night or why it chooses specific memories, colors, voices, scenes, or people. Despite the great advances of science, dreams remain a big puzzle that has yet to be solved. You can hear sudden explosions. Exploding head syndrome is a phenomenon that is rare, but it can occur. If it ever happens to you, you'll feel like a loud explosion made you wake up and you may experience high levels of fear and distress. But in reality, nothing in the outside world has happened. Those who suffer from this syndrome feel that their head was exploded, or think they heard a loud sound, like a gunshot. It causes no physical pain but can have serious psychological implications. Your brain restores and detoxifies itself. Researchers at the University of Rochester found while you sleep, your brain flushes out the waste that builds up during the day. The mechanism that is activated when we are sleeping is called the glymphatic system, and when it turns on, it allows your brain to discard useless information and to accumulate the stuff that it considers vital and renew their connections. Your body temperature falls. We also lose our ability to maintain body temperature at night, and indeed about 2 hours before waking, it will hit the lowest body temperature of the day. This is a normal thing for people according to Dr. Kansgara. It also explains why keeping the room on the cooler side may help with the sleep onset. The cooler temperature will help your body feel calmer and ready for sleep.